Welcome to Italian Express. Learn Italian. Look left in Italian. Guarda a sinistra. Guarda a sinistra means look left. Okay? Here, guarda means look. A sinistra means left. Guarda a sinistra. Look left. Guarda, look, sinistra, left. Guarda a sinistra, look left. Then look right. Look right. In Italian, guarda a destra. Guarda a destra. Okay? Guarda means look. Destra means right. Guarda a destra means look right. Okay? Look right in Italian. Guarda a destra. Then look down. Look down in Italian. Guarda in basso. Guarda in basso. Guarda in basso means look down. Here, guarda means look. Basso means down. Guarda in basso means look down. Okay? Guarda in basso. Look down. Then look back. Look back in Italian. Guarda indietro. Guarda indietro means look back. Here, guarda means look. Indietro means back. Guarda indietro means look back. Okay? Look back in Italian. Guarda indietro. Guarda indietro. Okay? Guarda indietro. Look back. Then look here. Look here in Italian. Guarda qui. Guarda qui means look here. Here, guarda means look. Qui means here. Guarda qui means look here. Okay? Guarda qui. Look here. Guarda look qui here. Guarda qui look here. Then look above. Look above means guarda sopra. Guarda sopra. Guarda sopra means look above. Okay? Here, guarda means look. Sopra means above. Guarda sopra. Look above. Look above in Italian. Guarda sopra. Then look ahead. Look ahead in Italian. Guarda avanti. Guarda avanti means look ahead. Here, guarda means look. Avanti means ahead. So we can say guarda avanti means look ahead. Okay? Look ahead in Italian. Guarda avanti. Then look inside. Look inside in Italian. Guarda dentro. Guarda dentro means look inside. Here, guarda means look. Dentro means inside. Then we can say guarda dentro means look inside. Okay? Guarda dentro. Look inside. Then look straight. Look straight in Italian. Guarda dritto. Guarda dritto means look straight. Okay? Guarda dritto. Look straight. Here, guarda means look. Dritto means straight. So we can say guarda dritto. Look straight. Then look behind. Look behind. In Italian, guarda dietro. Guarda dietro means look behind. Guarda dietro. Here, guarda means look. Dietro means behind. So we can say guarda Dietro means look behind. Then look slowly. Look slowly. In Italian, guarda lentamente. Guarda lentamente means look slowly. Guarda lentamente. Here, guarda means look lentamente means slowly. Guarda lentamente means look slowly. Then look outside. Look outside. In Italian, guarda fuori. Guarda fuori means look outside. Here, guarda means look, fuori means outside. Then we can say look outside, guarda fuori. Guarda fuori, look outside. Then look quickly. Look quickly. In Italian, guarda velocemente. Guarda velocemente means look quickly. Here, guarda means look, velocemente means quickly. So we can say guarda velocemente means look quickly. Then look around. Look around. In Italian, guardati intorno. Guardati intorno. Here, guardati means look, intorno means around. Then we can say guardati intorno means look around. Look around in Italian, guardati intorno. Then look closely. Look closely. In Italian, guarda attentamente. Guarda attentamente means look closely. Okay? Here, guarda means look, attentamente means closely. Attentamente, closely. Guarda, look. Then we can say guarda attentamente. Look closely. Then look at me. Look at me. Look at me in Italian. Guardami. Guardami. Guardami means look at me. Look at me in Italian. Guardami. Guardami. Then look properly. Look properly in Italian. Guarda bene. Guarda bene. Guarda bene means look properly. Look properly in Italian. Guarda bene. Here, guarda means look, bene means properly. Guarda means look, bene means properly. Then we can say look properly. Guarda bene. The last one is look carefully. Look carefully in Italian. Guarda attentamente. Guarda attentamente means look carefully. Okay? Look carefully. Here, guarda means look, attentamente means carefully. Guarda attentamente. Look carefully. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.